Your phone probably has over 50 apps installed. Weather apps, flashlights, VPNs, productivity tools, AI assistants. They sit quietly on your home screen, trusted, harmless. But what if many of them are not what they claim to be? What if some of the most downloaded apps on Earth are actually part of a massive underground economy designed to extract money, data, and control from millions of unsuspecting users? Because hidden inside the world's biggest app stores is a booming shadow industry. Fake apps, apps that pretend to help you, while secretly harvesting your personal information. Apps that promise security, while selling your data to unknown brokers. Apps that claim to be free until they quietly lock you into subscriptions costing hundreds of dollars per year. And the most disturbing part? These apps exist inside platforms that billions of people trust every single day. Google Play, Apple App Store. Despite strict review systems, thousands of deceptive apps slip through every year. Some remain online for months, others generate millions of downloads, and together, they form a global industry worth billions. This is the dark economy of fake apps. To understand how fake apps work, we need to start with one of the oldest scams in the mobile world. The flashlight app. At first glance, it sounds ridiculous. Modern smartphones already include built-in flashlights. But for years, millions of users downloaded flashlight apps from app stores. Why? Because early smartphones didn't include the feature by default. Developers rushed to fill the gap. Thousands of flashlight apps appeared overnight. But many of them were not simple utilities. Some flashlight apps requested shocking permissions. Access to your contacts, your location, your microphone, even your text messages. All for an app that does nothing more than turn on your camera flash. Security researchers later discovered that some of these apps were quietly collecting user data and transmitting it to remote servers. Others were displaying aggressive advertisements every few seconds. A few were even installing hidden tracking software. And yet, they remained available in app stores with millions of downloads. Why? Because the scam wasn't obvious. The flashlight worked. The app did exactly what it promised. But behind the scenes, your phone had become a data collection device. The flashlight scam was only the beginning. Today's fake apps use a far more profitable strategy. Subscription traps. These apps appear completely normal at first. You download them, they offer a free trial, maybe 3 days, maybe 1 week. Everything looks legitimate. But buried inside the fine print is the real business model. A subscription that renews automatically, sometimes $9.99 per week, sometimes $19.99 per week, sometimes even $39.99 per month. If you forget to cancel the trial, the charges begin immediately. Many users don't even realize they subscribed because the payment is processed through the App Store itself, credit card, Apple ID, Google account, automatic, silent. By the time people notice the charges, months have passed. Some victims discover they've spent hundreds of dollars on apps they barely used. And these scams are surprisingly common. Investigations by mobile security firms have uncovered entire networks of apps built specifically around subscription traps. Fake QR code scanners, fake photo editors, fake PDF converters, fake AI image generators, each one designed to lure users into a trial they forget to cancel. And once the payments begin, they can be incredibly difficult to stop. Another booming category in the fake app economy is VPN services. VPNs promise privacy, security, anonymity online. But many VPN apps don't actually protect users at all. Some do the exact opposite. Researchers have discovered dozens of VPN apps that secretly log user activity. Others inject advertising traffic into web pages. Some even route user data through unknown servers controlled by third parties. Instead of protecting privacy, they become a surveillance tool, and yet they continue to rank highly in App Store search results because fake VPN developers understand how the system works. They buy fake reviews, thousands of 5-star ratings posted by automated accounts. They use aggressive marketing, fake websites, influencer sponsorships, paid download campaigns. To the average user, the app appears trustworthy. 5 stars, hundreds of thousands of downloads, professional design, but behind the polished interface, the service may be doing something entirely different. The newest frontier of the fake app economy is artificial intelligence. AI is the most powerful marketing word in technology today, and scammers know it. Over the past years, app stores have been flooded with apps claiming to offer AI features, AI writing tools, AI image generators, AI video creators, AI assistants. Some are legitimate, but many are not. Investigations have revealed apps charging users $10 to $30 per week for AI tools that are actually just simple web interfaces connected to publicly available AI APIs. Others don't use AI at all. They simply generate random outputs and label them as AI results. Some fake AI apps even copy the branding of legitimate AI companies to trick users into believing they are official products. People searching for advanced AI tools often end up downloading cheap imitations instead, and the developers behind these apps earn millions, all while providing little real value. So, how do these fake apps become so successful? The answer lies in another hidden economy: fake reviews. Online marketplaces exist where developers can purchase thousands of positive app reviews, 5-star ratings, short glowing comments, download boosts, all generated by networks of automated or low-paid accounts. Some review farms operate like full-scale businesses. Developers pay packages like 500 5-star reviews, 1,000 installs, top 10 ranking and search results, all delivered within days. Once an app reaches the top of the charts, real users begin downloading it. The algorithm assumes the app is popular. Visibility increases, downloads explode. By the time app stores investigate, millions of users may already be affected. Welcome to the final chapter of our investigation into the dark economy of fake apps. We've unmasked the scams and seen the victims, but now we must ask, why can't this be stopped? Both major app stores invest heavily in security. They employ thousands of reviewers, automated scanning systems, and advanced AI detection tools. And yet, fake apps continue to slip through. The reason is simple. The scale is enormous. Millions of apps exist across mobile platforms, and thousands of new ones are submitted every day. This volume makes a perfect manual review impossible. The technical complexity of these apps is designed specifically to evade detection. Advanced developers use behavior cloaking, where malicious features stay dormant until after approval. During the initial review, many fake apps look completely legitimate. They are professional and polished, a carefully constructed mirage designed to deceive even the most experienced reviewers. Others play a longer game, releasing updates weeks later that introduce the actual scam features. By then, the app has already established a footprint of trust and thousands of downloads. In some cases, developers simply publish dozens of nearly identical apps under different names. When one is caught and removed, another appears immediately. It's a constant game of cat and mouse. This cycle of deception is fueled by one thing: staggering amounts of money. To truly understand why this shadow industry persists, we have to look at the numbers. So, how much money does the fake app economy actually generate? Estimates vary, but some top analysts believe these deceptive apps generate billions of dollars in revenue every single year. The revenue streams are diverse, from predatory subscription traps and mass data harvesting to sophisticated advertising fraud. Every single accidental click and forgotten trial adds to the total. By analyzing the financial flow, we see a global network of shell companies that hide the true scale of the profit. This infrastructure makes it easy for scammers to start over after a ban. For many developers, the risk is relatively low compared to the reward. If an app gets banned, they simply create another account, publish another app, and start the profit machine all over again. Victims rarely pursue legal action. The amounts lost are often small, $10 or $20. Most people just write it off as a mistake, never realizing they are part of a global billion-dollar problem. With billions at stake and app stores struggling to keep up, the primary responsibility for your security falls on you. You must know how to protect your own digital life. How can you avoid the fake app trap? It starts with awareness. First, be extremely cautious of any apps that request excessive or unrelated permissions. Question every request. A simple flashlight app should never need access to your contacts. A basic calculator should not require location tracking. If the permissions don't match the utility, data harvesting is the real goal. When we analyze the permission metadata of malicious apps, we see a clear pattern of overreach. Learning to spot these technical red flags is critical for your digital safety. Second, examine subscription details with total scrutiny. If an app offers a free trial, always check the automatic renewal price before you tap Accept. Many traps are hidden in that first click. Third, read reviews with a critical eye. Look for patterns of short, generic comments. These are the hallmarks of automated review farms and should never be taken as a sign of trust. And finally, before you hit download, ask yourself a simple question. Do you really need this app? Many features are already built into your smartphone. The fewer apps you install, the lower the risk. In the dark economy of fake apps, your caution is your greatest defense. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay safe in the digital world. Thank you for following this investigation. This concludes our series on the dark economy of fake apps. Be careful what you trust. Be careful what you download. The investigation ends here.